So one day I had this idea, can vibe coding make people homeless? In other words, can vibe coding replace real developers? First, before we start, I personally refuse to send my own data, so anyway. And this is the home screen, looks very familiar. Yeah. And this is what the project looks like. Now I can actually start doing something. Every app needs a navigation bar. So I booted up Cloud, or is that how to pronounce it? And I bring up my prompt, which I'm going to stock from because that's the whole point of the video. And this is what I like to see. It doing its job. Wait, I've actually did something. But there's still no navigation bar which I have to do. Yay, we got the virtual machine working. Why is it glitching so hard? Wow, that was unexpected. Wait, I actually got it working. Wait, it actually... I did something! But it's quite glitchy now, so I have to fix it. If it works, don't touch it, I guess. Now the actual point of vibe coding is that you just write what you wanna do to AI and it does for you. So, and if you are wondering what I actually want to build, then here's the prompt. It's quite simple. It's a student tracker. Wait, it actually worked! Something happened again. It actually looks quite nice. I definitely wanna make an app out of this. Let me introduce you to React Native. I believe it's a framework where you develop Android apps or mobile apps using code similar to React. And if you are wondering why do I switch to React so fast, like what happened to Android Studio? The reason is because I managed to open the kind of the same code on Android Studio, specifically on my phone, and it looked terrible. It looked so bad. I found out that Claude actually sent me an React model of what it was supposed to be. So I decided to just switch to React Native. Now let's actually change the code to React. And my goal is to convert the React app that Claude gave me to React Native. In order to do that, I have to find out how do I actually make it happen. Which one I would choose? Whatever. Looks like I need Node and some other stuff. Classic typical copy and pasting errors to AI, so you can fix something. npm install gexpo CLI reminds me of installing Express on a server. After that's done, it's time to actually make the app and copy paste the React code that I have to convert. I mean, it works. One more step to success. Now it does something again. Ooh, a QR code. I think now we have to pull out our phone. So according to the instructions, I have to download this app. Expo Go. Okay, I don't wanna pay anything. No, no. And we're in. I assume I have to scan the QR code. Yeah. And scan it in Google Lens. I don't know why camera doesn't. But okay, it's building something. And we're in the welcome screen. Okay, so that's where the app is supposed to be, I assume. After tons of copying and pasting and troubleshooting, it works. At least on PC. I yet have to see on my phone. And the moment of truth. No way, I actually got it working. No way. The icons work, the the basic features work, it's looking pretty good.